regularly post on my Instagram, and everyone asks me that how is it possible that I am so consistent with this posting, because as you know by now that regular and the consistent posting is the only key to get better engagement on your Instagram account. So everyone used to ask me that how I am so consistent. So today I'll just share you my secret of being consistent on this Instagram posting. So as you can see, I've created this amazing automation using which I don't have to do anything, just sit back and relax, and automatically this workflow posts on my Instagram account daily. And in this video I'll show you how you can also create this amazing automation for your own business. For that, just open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can post up to 100 of posts on your Instagram for free, and yes, this is true. But once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that the discount coupon code is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and this discount coupon code is only for the ones who watch our YouTube videos. So this discount coupon code is just for you. And not only this automation, but you can create multiple more automations using Pabbly Connect, and this can be a very good deal for you today. Alright, so let's start with this automation. For that, we have opened the workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, I'm just going to select it as schedule by Pabbly because I want to schedule this workflow. For the event, I'm just going to select it as schedule workflow and click on this connect. Now it is saying how often do you want to run your workflow. So I want to run this workflow every day and post on my Instagram account every day. Now I'm just going to select the time at which time I want to post right over here and then click on this save. Now this workflow is scheduled for every day 1 p.m. Now let's move on further, generate the content and post it on our Instagram. For that, we have to click on this add new action step, and using Google Gemini, I'm just going to generate the content. So first of all, I'm just going to generate the caption. So in order to generate the caption, I'm just going to search for Google Gemini, which is Google AI Studio. For the event, I'm just going to select it as generate content and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Google Gemini and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection, and it is asking for this API key. So to get this API key, just open your Google AI Studio. Once you open your Google AI Studio, from the left hand of the side, you're going to see the option of get API key. So let's wait, and you're going to see this get API key. So go on this get API key. Now you have to click on this create API key button, name your key, select the project and click on this create key button. Your key will be created, so just copy the key and paste it right over here in your workflow. After pasting this, just click on this save and your Gemini will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking me for the text, which is the prompt, using which we are going to generate the content. So as you can see that this is my old workflow, and over here I've entered this prompt. So I'm just going to copy and paste the same prompt. If you also want this prompt, the workflow URL is attached in the description box below. You can check it out and copy and paste my prompt. But I'll suggest you enter the prompt according to your own Instagram page so that the Gemini can generate the content using the same. So now we have to select the model. For the method, we have to select generate content and click on this save and send test request. So for the model, you have to select the model according to your own Gemini account you have. Now you're going to see that we have successfully generated this caption right over here. Now using this caption, I'm just going to generate the image too. For that, we have to click on this add new action step, and now for the action application, once again we're just going to search for Gemini because using Google Gemini only. I'm just going to generate the image too. For that, we have to select the event as generate and edit image nano banana and click on this connect. We have recently created the connection between Gemini and Pabbly Connect, so let's click on this select existing connection and then save. Once we click on this save, it is asking for the model. So over here for the model, I'm just going to select it as Nano Banana Pro right over here. So I'm just going to look for Nano Banana Pro and select it. For the method, select it as generate content. For the prompt, once again open open the workflow, and you're going to see that this is the prompt to generate the image. So I'm just going to use the same prompt. So I'm just going to copy and paste it right over here, and instead of this caption, I'm just going to enter the caption which Gemini generated. Alright, so let's delete this caption first. So let's map the caption which Gemini generated. So first of all, make sure that you don't have to enter it manually by typing it like this, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So as you can see that we have successfully mapped this caption. It is asking me for the uploaded file URL and the image file URL. So both of these is not required. If you wish to upload the file you add from your Google Drive, so let's say if you want to post something and you have that image on your Google Drive, so why is this useful? Like if you want to edit some images, you can definitely use this feature, and for that you have to map the details. And in order to map these details, just put a slash and then you're going to look for the detail which you wish to map, and then you can map the details. After doing this, what we have to do is we have to click on this save and send test request. So I've just entered the prompt because I don't want to edit any image, I just want to generate the image. So I've just entered the prompt, selected the method and the model, and now the image will be generated within few seconds. So we have to wait for few seconds till Gemini is going to generate us the image. So once we receive the image, we're going to post it on our Instagram, the image and the caption both. So let's wait for few seconds, and the Gemini has successfully generated the image. This is the file URL. So let's copy this file URL and open it in a new tab, and as you can see that this is the image which Gemini has generated. Now what I have to do is I have to post it on my Instagram. For that I'm just going to go back towards my workflow and then close this. Now let's post it on our Instagram, but over here I have to make sure that the image URL which we have received is a long image URL. And what we have to do is we have to first of all shorten this image URL, and second we have to make this a publicly accessible file. For that we have to click on this add new action step. For the action application, use file uploader by Pabbly. So I'm just going to select it. For the event, select it as upload file and get URL and click on this connect. For the file URL, simply put a slash and then map the file which Gemini generated. For the file name, enter the name right over here. So I'm just going to enter it as new post. For that you have to make sure that you don't have any spaces in this file name, and I'm just going to click on the save and send test request, and you're going to see we have successfully received this file name and the file URL. So let's just close this, and now we post it on Instagram. For that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Instagram right over here and select Instagram for business. And now for the event, select it as create, upload and publish photo, and then click on this connect. Once we're going to click on this connect, it is saying select existing connection or add a new connection. So if you have already created a connection between Instagram for business and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and connect with Instagram for business. Now you have to make sure that your Facebook account is logged in, because the connection between Instagram and Pabbly Connect happens using the Facebook only. So if not, just log in your Facebook account and click on this continue, and your Instagram account for business will be connected with Pabbly Connect. So easy, right? Now you have to select the Instagram account to post on. You have to select the photo URL. So just map the URL which this file uploader gave you, and then for the caption, just map the content which Gemini generated in the second step. After this, just click on the save and send test request, and once you're going to click on the save and send test request, you're going to see the positive response that we have successfully posted this on our Instagram. So let's wait for a few seconds till this is posting on Instagram. Make sure that the photo URL maximum image size is 8 MB and the ratio falls within 4:5 to 1.91:1 range. So you can also mention this in your prompt when you're generating the image. Now we have received the positive response that we have successfully posted this on our Instagram. So let's open our Instagram and we're going to refresh this, and you're going to see the post has been posted successfully right over here. And not only this, but now whenever every day this workflow is going to run, Google Gemini is going to generate the content and we're going to post it on our Instagram. Not only photos or videos, but you can also publish reels, you can post stories, and all of this right over here. You're going to see the options. If you want to learn more about this Instagram for business and how you can automate your Instagram just by using Pabbly Connect and Google Gemini, then you can drop them in the comment section below. My team is definitely going to solve your use case too. So yes, with this we have successfully completed our workflow, and go and try this amazing automation for your own business too. And the workflow URL is attached in the description box below. If you have any doubts, drop them in the comment section below. Don't forget that the discount coupon is is also attached in the description box below. You're going to get a very heavy discount if you purchase Pabbly Connect today. But first try it. If you like it, then you can move on further and purchase it. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.